welcome to the video. A little bit chilly out today, not gonna lie. We kind of have a cold front coming in. I don't know how well this GoPro camera is, but that is crystal clear water. I bet you the camera can pick up some fish today. Some of you may have already noticed I got a pair of waders on. Well, I have a plan.
That is like...
I have a plan, and it's walking through here and seeing where the deepest spots are, or the spots that go over my waders, because I think I'm like 5 foot, so yeah. Just look at all this.
We also have the mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle box, yeah. We're not sponsored, so don't look at it that long.
Yeah. We'd love to be sponsored by it.
Oh, I would love to be sponsored.
Ooh, this is way more clear than...
I know. Okay, it feels weird being in the water like this, because, you know. Oh, Jesus, that's deep.
You're already up to there?
Oh, yeah. I'm already bull's height. Oh, jeez.
Those would be great for fly fishing.
Pin, would you not try and get... Oh, jeez. The pressure, though. Because they're cheap-ass fucking waders.
Got the old stinkies.
What?
Got the old stinkies here.
You old stinkies. I honestly don't feel safe with... I forgot my freaking selfie stick. Fuck. Oh, well. Can you cameraman?
I guess let me just get rigged up.
Ooh, there's a nice rock to stand on here. Oh, it feels like terrible. Like the pressure. Because they're crappy ass freaking waders. My boots are like collapsing on me. Sorry guys if you hear me singing a random freaking song. I kind of have a song stuck in my head today. And it's copyright, so if I sing it too well, we might get a copyright. I guess no, because we're not mom guys, so we really don't have to worry about it. Like this river feels so weird. Like imagine the pressure you have at the bottom of a pool times 25. That's what I'm feeling on my legs right now. I'm putting my phone and knife, stuff like that out of here.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly.
Oh, my legs were numb. Like not from it being cold as it is. My legs are numb from. Oh, it's sketchy as heck walking down in here because you don't know what you're heading for. Okay, well the GoPro is waterproof, so if I drop it or I dip it in the water, it's not the end of the world. Oh, walking is so painful. Whew. Oh, my legs are painful. That is painful, believe it or not. Like, I mean, I'm making the river a mess. So like random. the like patches of sand and stuff in this river. Oh shit. I'm in a way deeper spot than I thought I was. Yeah. Well, I know going this way it'll get shallower. Yeah. Woo. Okay, guys. We came up with something. 50 likes in that muskrat dam over there. I'll zoom in on it when I'm editing. That muskrat dam is getting destroyed. 100 likes. I'm doing a cannonball right off this edge. Also, my GoPro's wet. Off the bridge? No, it's too shallow.
That's the point.
So yeah, 50 likes. This muskrat dam is going bye-bye. And I mean, I'd be fine if they rebuild it. I really don't care.
I can already tell it's a bad fishing day.
Yeah, I don't know. Nobody's even gotten a bite. I mean, the fish are out. I think there's not that many fish in this river. Yeah, I think they migrated. After the water went back up, I think they migrated. There's some interesting ground in here. Not gonna lie. I'm thinking...
We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll
I'm not going for the rocks.
What's with the long casts?
What's with the long cast? Like me casting very far?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just bored. I think we're gonna head back soon. Unless I catch a fish. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna catch a fish in my whole year of 2021. So. For those of you who don't know, right here I just got my line stuck in the power lines. Do you guys like it?
It's hard to see on camera, but yeah, it's stuck in there, so I made a joke
Okay,
about
guys, I'll catch up back with you once we get to my house or in that area, okay? Okay, guys, we are back in our shop. I don't know how often I've actually showed you guys around my shop, so this will be a little bit of a shop tour. I already got the waders and everything off. I'm in my shorts, which is what I had on under the waders, which, I mean, jeans, it might not have hurt as much. But little update on how things on the riding side of my channel are going. Mini bike here, we got it go. I had it going 28 the other day. Works pretty good. There's a few scrapes and minor stuff on it from... Did you find an 8 mil? Yeah. Okay, bring the ratchet over here. But there's a few scrapes and stuff from me wrecking. I'm taking this off because it's packed full of stuff and it gets into my chain every once in a while. That's not fun. So I'm going to take that off, get that all situated, and then we're going to do an oil change on this Raptor here. She's looking minty with the decals, although like this is coming off here and everything. Yeah, the decal work is not that good. Homemade. Like, not homemade, but done at home, and don't expect these main decals to last that long because they'll be coming off soon. But like these, I feel like will peel off because right here they're peeling. But I mean, this should be solid. But this one I'm worried about, and the side ones because they're all bubbly, which I can probably go over and fix it all. So we're going to start working on this here. We'll get the oil change done and everything. I have some Walmart oil here. Cheap oil. Strong oil. This is the oil I need. 1030. So we're going to get I'll set the camera up like time-lapsing. And we're going to get the oil changed and just kind of stuff done on that. Okay, guys, I'm just taking my chain guard off here. Now, I know a lot of you are probably going to be like, breaking! Yeah, so when I pull this off, you guys are going to be astonished with how good of care this thing has been getting taken off. This is, remember, I bought it in December of 2020, and it is March of 2021. It's not rusty, but like that's a little bit of dirt. Not gonna lie, that is a little bit of dirt there. Clutch is in fine condition.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Yes! Let's go! Finally, that was way too tight.
Your wrench.
I dropped a wrench in here.
thanks for watching. So this is near the end of the video. I have a little bit of bloopers at the end here. We did end up catching a fish, but somehow I accidentally cut out the footage. Now, I started with an hour and a half of footage, and now I have it down to like 16 minutes or something, and I mean, that takes a long time to do all that editing, so please like, just for my sake, because I sit here. This video I think took around 2.5 hours just to edit the video, and I mean, I'm not even done yet. I'm at 2.5 hours, and I still have to go and put music in on all the time lapses. But yeah, please like, subscribe, that means a lot to us. Second channel, my Instagram, Ben's Instagram, and my brother's YouTube channel, all in the description. Go sub to my brother's YouTube channel, the second channel, if you want to. I am my brother's editor, so that would help both of us out there if you go sub over there. So yeah, Instagram links, everything in the description. Go follow our Instagrams. If you don't follow it, you're probably an idiot. Catch y'all next time. Also, 50 likes, we'll destroy the beaver dam. 100 likes, I'll do a cannonball. Other than that, yeah, catch y'all next time. If you want to see us do any different kind of videos, just let us know. I think we're willing to do about anything that will entertain you guys. So yeah, I think YouTube's turned our comments off though, so either go tell it on the second channel or my Instagram. Catch y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed.
It was the power crab! Yes! Let's go! Finally, that was way too tight.
Your wrench.
I dropped a wrench in here.
And then just right now.